So we just arrived at the Handara gate. So the last time we've been here was probably 2 years ago, and we're here with Alex and Catania. We're just heading up to Lovina area, and we're just stopping by the gate as it's on the way. So we'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so this is Alex and this is Catania, or aka Kintamani. She doesn't like that name, but
I told him to not to call you that.
how many cameras do we need? We got her, we got him. Man, come here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. You're so excited. You're excited for the gate.
I got it.
Oh, you have video. Dang it. I forgot to change my settings.
So we just arrived at our villa in Lovina. It took us about 2 hours to drive. We're gonna show you around. We just parked our bike here, and this is the entrance to the villa. So we have this entire property to ourselves right here. So I'll show you guys inside. So we just stopped by the beach club. It's called Lovina Beach Club. So we're just checking this place out and see if we can just hang out here for a few minutes before the sunset. So yeah. Oh, I can't reach you guys.
Come on.
Oh my god.
You can make it.
How do you spell iCup?
I-C-U-P.
Do you like iCup?
I-C-U-P.
When?
P-P. Oh!
When did you see me pee? So it's 6 a.m. and we're heading to the Dolphin Tour. Well,
Good morning.
yeah, good morning. So we're heading out to the ocean so that we can go on a little boat. So we can try to do a sunrise boat tour to watch the dolphins. That's for swim, that's for swim. That's for hanging. No. Go.
Okay.
He has a step for you.
Aww.
Is that enough height for you?
You said I have to go first.
I didn't say anything. I've been recording since, so I have proof.
Oh, okay.
Good jump,
Wow.
good climbing.
All right, señorita. You got it, baby? Oh yeah!
You got that. Oh my god.
Look, behind us. Alex a little lost with his drone.